I don't know if you can hear it, but it's raining outside more than what we initially thought. At least more than what I thought. But went to the hardware store today. I got I got some 2x2s. I got some more propane. I got some things to start building out the cabinets. I got a tarp, and most of the stuff out the back is covered now. My main concern is this gonna hold water or be watertight? So far, so good. I think we're in 2 hours maybe, and I don't see any drips yet, which is a good sign. So it's just kind of nice. Hearing the rain, can you hear it? I cleaned the stove window. It looks beautiful. I'm just sitting here watching a little bit of Seinfeld, and had a nice, excuse me, oh my gosh, a nice relaxing evening. Work we're going to deal with tomorrow, and I'm going to get a good night's sleep tonight. It's like some LED lights came in. These hopefully are better than the other ones. We'll play with those in a bit. But it's a cool day, so hopefully my paint job worked well, and so far it seems to be that's the case. I'll let you know if we have any leaks. Ooh, something's on the ceiling. What's that?